Hello everyone, welcome to English pronunciation practice. So in this course, we will learn how to pronounce English sounds. So let's take a look about the textbook. We have the textbook of this course as Pronunciation Pairs, an introduction to the sounds of English. So in this course, we will learn the two main contents. They are vowels and consonants. So in English style, we have an IPA. It stands for International Phonetic Alphabet, and it includes 44 sounds. In this 44 sound, it including 20 vowels sound and 24 consonant sounds. In the vowel sound, we have monophthongs and diphthongs, and in consonants, we have voiced consonants and voiceless consonant. Okay, so let's take a look about the table of the 44 sound here. So before you make the sound, you need to practice moving your mouth first. So we have 6 steps to practice moving your mouth. Firstly, you need to open your mouth a little bit. Step 2, you need to open your mouth a little more. Step 3, you need to open your mouth wide. And step 4, you split your lips into a smile. Step 5, you make your lips a little round. And the last step, you need to push your lips forward into a tight circle. So here's the 6 step to practice moving your mouth. Okay, so move on. So after you practice moving your mouth, you also need to practice moving your tongue. So we have 5 steps here. The first, you need to put your thumbs for good. Step 2, you pull your tongue back. Step 3, you move your tongue up. Step 4, you put your tongue down. And the last one, you curve your tips of your tongue up and down. So here are the 5 steps to practice moving your tongue. So you need to practice your moving your tongue and also moving your mouth too before you making the sound. So next one, you also need to practice making tense and relaxed vowel sounds. So here we have 3 steps to practice making tense and relaxed vowel sound. So look at the picture. You can see that the muscles of your mouth are tense for some vowel sound and relaxed for others. So the first step, you put your tongue forward and up, split your lips into a smile, and put your hands under your jaw and practice the sound E, like easy, C, T. So your muscles should feel tight or tense. And step 2, you pull your tongue up and back, put your lips forward into a tight circle, and put your hand under your jaw. Practice the sound ooh, like in to, school, who. So your muscles should feel tight or tense. And step 3, you let your tongue rest in the middle of your mouth and let your mouth rest open. Put your hand under your jaw and practice the sound like in cough, buzz, So your muscles should feel relaxed. Okay, so that's all about how to, before you practice the sound, you need to practice to moving your tongue, your mouth, and making tense and relax vowel sound. Okay, so we have move on to unit 1. We have vowel sound. We have 5 vowel sound here. So the firstly, we have the vowel sound E. So E here is a long vowel sound. So to make this sound, you need to open your mouth just a little for the sound E and split your lips into a smile. You put your tongue forward in your mouth, and E is a long sound, so move your tongue up a little as you say it. So you can look at the picture and also do this step here to make the sound E. So we have the sound E like in tea, tree, trees, and bean. Okay, so let's practice again. We have E in tea, tree, trees, and bean. Okay, so here is the first sound. First vowel sound is a long vowel sound. Okay, so move on. We have we have the vowel sound E. This sound is also practice is, but it's a short sound. So to practice this sound, you also practice the sound E. However, you need to open your mouth a little more for E. Do not split your lips into a smile. Pull your tongue down a little. E is a shorter and more relaxed sound than E. So let's practice this sound. E in sip, sit, hill, feel. Okay, so practice again. E, sip, sit, hill, feel. Here is the sound E. So we have the two vowel sound. The first one is E, it's long vowel sound, and the second one is E, is short vowel sound. Okay, so move on to the number 3. We have the sound Okay, so to practice the sound, you need to practice the sound E first. Then you open your mouth a little more for A. So E, a short and relaxed sound. So let's practice this sound. So firstly, we will hear the sound in these 4 words below. Okay, so we have bell, pen, checks, rest, a, bell, pen, checks, and rest. So we have the sound A is a short and relaxed sound. Number 4, we have a diphthong here. Diphthong is a diphthong made by vowel, two short vowel sounds. We have the sound A. So to practice this sound, you need to practice the sound A and close your mouth a little for A. A is long sound and split your lips and move your tongue up a little as you say it. Okay, so now practice the sound A in pain, wait, taste, paper. Okay, so let's practice again. A, pain, wait, taste, paper. Okay, so we have the diphthong A. And next one, we have this vowel sound A. So to practice this sound, you need to practice the sound A. However, in this sound, you need to open your mouth a little more for A. Okay, so let's practice this sound A. Axe, pen, man, loud. Okay, so let's practice again A. Axe, pen, man, loud. Okay, so that's about 5 vowel sound we already learned. So now it's time for you to practice the 5 sound below. Okay, so we have exercise 1. We have write each in the correct column of the table below. So we have 60 words here, and it have an example. Thanks is already done in the 5th column. So we have the 5 column here. So the first one is E, number 2 is E, number 3 is A, number 4 is A, and number 5 is A. Okay, so now you need to write the left 50 words in the right column. Okay, so now let's check the answer. We have already have the answer here. So with the first column E, so we have the word need, seed, feel. And number 2, we have the short vowel sound E. We have chicken, think, sit. And the third column we have A. So we have lemon, ready, lettuce. Okay, number 4, we have the diphthongs A. So we have the word rain, steak. And the last one we have column A. So we have thanks, salad, back, blanket. Okay, so that's all about exercise 1. And let's move on to exercise 2. We have which word doesn't belong. So circle the word in the line that do not have the same vowel sound as the others. So we have the 6th line here, and we have already the line 1 is an example. We have line 1 is seed, steak idea and cheese. So we already have the word steak is doesn't belong in this life. So your mission is find the what doesn't belong in the left five lines. Okay, so we have the answer here. The answer is the number two. We have the word peak, pretty, evening, minute. So we have the answer evening because it's because we have the word evening. We the we have the vowel sound e. However, the last three words have the vowel sound is the short vowel sound e. So evening doesn't belong in this life. Okay, so move on to the third line. We have the word jacket, right? Grass, having, bakery. So we have the word grass. It doesn't belong to in this line because the word grass with the vowel sound a. However, the three words here with the vowel sound a, like jacket, having, bakery. Okay, so the next one we have the number four. We have the word taste doesn't belong in this line. We have the word taste with the diphthong a. However, the rest three words have the vowel sound a, like any, whether, every. Okay, next one. We have the word jealous doesn't belong in this line because it's jealous with is go with the vowel sound air. However, we have the rest three word go with the vowel sound e, like eat, feel, need, and jealous. So jealous doesn't belong in this line. And the rest, number six, we have the word bread doesn't belong in this line because the word bread go with the vowel sound air, bread. However, the red three would go with a diphthong a, like rate, weight, made. So that's all about the